in this video, I'll be giving a quick guide on how you can read a Robinhood stack chart so you can quickly understand the price movements and trends. So, first, you will have to open the Robinhood app or the website and navigate to the stack that you would want to view. Next, at the top, you will see the price and the timeline selector, and then you will just have to choose a time frame like 1D, 1W, 1M, or 1Y so to change the chart view. After that, you will just have to look at the chart line or candlesticks, and the line shows the price over time while the candlesticks show open, close, high, and low for each period. Then, check volume below the chart to see how much trading happened at different times. Taller bar means heavier times. Taller bars means heavier volume. And finally, scroll or use the crosshair if it is available to inspect exact prices at specific times and read company summary and recent news below the chart for context. Quick tip: compare the chart time frame with news events. Big moves often follow announcements. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.